Hello, Michelle. My name is Brad, and the reason I'm here today sending you this video is to give you some information, some free information that you can use for your existing website that you have here. I like this little slideshow that you guys have going on here. It shows you all the different things that you guys do. That is awesome. Um, but I want to start out talking about content. Content is the amount of words that you have on your web page. Um, And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy and paste your URL, and I'm going to put it over here in this thing called word count. This is a free tool you can get off the internet. There are several different ones out there, but this is the one I'm using today. And it shows me that you have 469 words on your web page. I'm going to go over here to your competition, which is Ferguson, and I'm going to do the same thing, copy and paste, and put it into the word count. Again, remember you have 469. Your competition has 1,972 words. Now they're right where Google wants them to be. Google wants anywhere from 1,500 words to 2,000 words on your website. So you can see you have a little bit of room to work with here. And I'm going to show you how I found your competition. I just put some keywords in here, plumbing and supplies. And then I put an area, and I know you guys are located in several areas, but so is your competition over here. They're located throughout the United States as well. And again, like I said, all I did is type in keywords into the search bar. If I was looking for a hotel, I'd put hotel in here, restaurant. I think you understand where I'm going with that. So keywords bring you into this area down here and help you get ranked. This is called the organic area. And according to Google, this is the very first place where people are going to click on to find what they're looking for. As you can see, the keywords that I'm referring to, plumbing and supply and such. Now, if I scroll down through here, I'm going to see if I can find your company name. As of right now, I'm not seeing it on the first page. I'm going to go to the second page here. And again, I'm not seeing you guys on the second page either. I just want to remind myself what we have here so we can find Ferguson. And I'm not seeing them. But again, you see I'm on the second page here. People usually don't go past the second or third page. Usually the first page is where they're going to click on to find what they're looking for. And again, I'm not seeing them. And I'm going to go to the first page. And again, so this is where you want to start ranking. Okay, Michelle is in this very first spot, and that's not hard to do. Again, it has to do with the keywords here. And up here, again, I refer to this as map it. And this refers to backlinks, and I'll explain backlinks here shortly. But that's where I found your competition by putting in the proper keywords. And like I said, it also brings up the backlinks area where they are ranked number one. And again, you want to be ranked number one there, but more importantly, right down here in the organic area. I'm going to click over here to what's referred to as a tool that I use called Ahrefs. What Ahrefs does is it tells me all this different information about your company. Again, remember the organic words I was telling you about? You guys have 72 organic keywords, which is bringing you guys in about $103 a month off of Google. Excuse me. Now I'm going to go over to your competition. You can see they have 27,000 organic words, which brings them in about $537,000 per month by having the proper organic words in this area. I'm going to click on their organic words and then come back to yours. I think you know what keywords are right now, but Ferguson, um, that's bringing them about 723,000. You can see plumbing and supply 306, plumbing supply stores 54, Ferguson supply 100,000, Ferguson supply enterprise is 17. So you can see like ing, and then they change into areas and stuff. I do believe there might be some plumbing supplies, plumbing. Again, they're using a lot of plumbing, plumbing parts, plumbing store. So these are just different words they're playing with to change the value over here. So I'm going to go over to yours, and I'm going to click. And again, remember they had, I can't remember, 523,000 or something like that, if I remember right. Yeah, $537,000 they're bringing in off of their organic words. And I'm going to go to yours, click on your organic words. So people must know you as well because it's bringing in a good traffic value for you guys in these areas. But if you guys can slip in a few more things like plumbing, plumbing supplies, different things like that, that's going to change your values down through here. You do have some plumbing fixtures, plumbing fixtures. So again, we can, or you can, however that works, or you can see you guys use an S instead of ing. It's all different ways of playing with these keywords to make in the value of your traffic. Next, I'm going to talk about backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another by clickable hyperlink text. A more simple word of saying that is it's literally like a popularity contest, Michelle, where the person with the most backlinks pointing back to your webpage wins the race. Google, another way they say it is these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. And again, that's how you get into this number one spot right here. So I'm going to check and see what they have going on here. They have 179,000 backlinks. You guys have 17,000 backlinks. So these two areas are something that you guys can work on to bring in more revenue for your company and to get you ranked here and right here. So as you can see, all backlinks and all keywords are equal. So you want to work on your backlinks, Michelle. You want to work on your organic keywords to get you ranked right up here. Again, this video I'll be sending to you is a free video that you can use yourself to help bring your money in here stronger, just like these people over here have done. Um, I'm going to close out with that, Michelle. Maybe point out one other thing. I would possibly bring your company name and logo and stuff like that right up right here and put it right in this area so the first thing that people can see is how to get a hold of you. I understand you have locations and contact us, but again, if they can see it right off, they don't have to click through all this stuff. Um, I'm going to close out with this and just again mention keywords and backlinks you guys could use a little help on. This information is free for you to use. If, however, when you get this video and you want more information, I am more than happy to help you out with that. Or you, like I said, you can use this for yourself. I thank you for your time, Michelle, and you have